If your WhatsApp account is banned, be it your personal WhatsApp or WhatsApp for business, and you've done nothing wrong, you are innocent, and you've tried everything in your power to appeal to them and they are not responding at all, you're just getting automated messages, watch my video completely till the end, because this video may just help you get your account back. There are a lot of people who have been using WhatsApp the proper way, but still their accounts are getting banned. Now, the simple reason why this is happening is because of the fact that most of these social media platforms have started using AI in their systems. So maybe for security reasons, to ensure that there are no scams going on, I understand. But if a person who has been using WhatsApp the proper way, his or her WhatsApp account gets banned, that is absolutely unfair, right? And the worst part is, if you are innocent and you have been appealing for say 1 month or 2 months and you get no response. If you get responses from WhatsApp, it's like from bots. That is absolutely not done. So what I would suggest is do this. Okay, get hold of a laptop or a PC and open the Chrome browser or Firefox or whatever it is. Do a Google search for Google Play. Okay, so just do a search and get to Google Play on your laptop or your PC. Okay, you could even do a search on your Android device itself, but you need to ensure that you get to desktop mode. So on the Chrome browser itself, to the top in the menu, the 3 dots, click on that and you're going to see an option for desktop version. So just select that option so that on your phone also you could see the website in desktop mode. So once you are here on this page, just do a search for WhatsApp, and then you're going to be directed to the page for WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp Messenger and you're going to be directed out here. Now, once you're here, you may just get an option to share an honest feedback about your experience with WhatsApp. In the feedback itself, you could mention that your account was banned for no reason, you are not getting any help, you have not been spamming or scamming or whatever, you need help ASAP. And the moment you leave a feedback for WhatsApp on Google Play or maybe the App Store, whatever, you are definitely going to get a response. Okay, now the response is going to come in from the developer team who would not be able to help you straight away, but they are definitely going to forward your message or your feedback to the security team for WhatsApp. So the reason why I made this video today is simply because of the fact that I have been getting emails and messages like crazy, 2 or 3 or 4 emails each and every single day, telling me that their WhatsApp accounts were banned, they need help, they haven't done anything wrong. What I would suggest is use the normal procedures first to appeal. You could watch this video of mine to learn how to appeal to WhatsApp. It's been 1 month or 2 months, then you go ahead and use this procedure that I mentioned in the video for today. If you are a person who is into spamming or scamming, who wants to cheat and stuffs like that, this is not going to work for you. This method is only for those people who are innocent, who haven't done anything wrong, who has been using WhatsApp just to communicate with their son or daughter, or who has been using WhatsApp for business the proper way according to the terms and conditions of WhatsApp. I hope this helps and you get access to your WhatsApp account again. If you still haven't gotten any help, please do let me know. Let's look for a solution together for this problem. Take care, my friend.